Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hi, guys. David, you look frustrated. Are you okay?
Frustrated. Yes, I am frustrated. I am angry.
Why? Did you lose money on crypto again?
No, this is worse. I am looking for a job.
Oh, job hunting. That is stressful.
Stressful. It is impossible. Olivia, listen to this job advertisement.
Okay, read it.
The title is Junior Office Assistant.
Junior, that means a job for beginners, for young people.
Exactly. Beginner. Now listen to the requirements.
Requirements. These are the things you must have.
Requirement number 1 must be a recent university graduate.
Okay, that's normal.
Requirement number 2 must be under 22 years old.
Okay, a bit young, but okay.
Requirement number 3 must have 10 years of work experience.
Wait, what?
Yes, 10 years experience, but under 22 years old?
So you need to start working when you are 12 years old?
Exactly. While I was playing with toys, I should have been working in an office.
That is ridiculous.
Ridiculous. It means stupid or absurd.
David, maybe it is a mistake. Maybe they meant 10 months.
No, Olivia. Look at the next one. Entry-level position.
Entry level. This means your first job, no experience needed.
It should mean that. But look, it says must know 5 languages, know how to code, and have a master's degree.
For an entry level job?
Yes. And the salary?
How much?
Competitive salary.
Competitive salary usually means very low money.
Or maybe they pay you in pizza parties.
David, this is a very common problem. It is called a catch-22.
Catch-22? Like catching a ball?
No, catch-22 is an idiom. It means a situation you cannot escape.
Explain, please.
You need a job to get experience, but you need experience to get a job.
Yes, it is a circle, a vicious circle.
Vicious circle. This means a bad cycle that repeats itself.
So what do I do? Lie on my CV?
No, never lie on your CV.
But how can I have 10 years experience at 22? Maybe I can say I was a CEO of a lemonade stand when I was 5.
CEO of lemonade stand. That is actually creative. Did you go to any interviews recently?
Yes, last week. It was a disaster.
Tell us, what happened?
So I went to this company. The interviewer looked at my CV and asks, David, explain this gap in your CV.
A gap. G-A-P. This means a time when you were not working.
Yes, there was a gap of 3 months in 2020.
2020? Everyone had a gap in 2020. It was the pandemic.
Exactly. But he asked, why weren't you working? So I said, I was busy saving the world by staying on my sofa.
You said that in an interview?
Yes, he didn't laugh.
Ugh, David, you need to be professional.
Then he asked the worst question. What is your biggest weakness?
We practice this. You should say, I'm a perfectionist.
I forgot. I panicked. So I said, kryptonite.
Kryptonite? Like Superman?
Yes, I thought it was funny.
Ugh, David, did you get the job?
No, he showed me the door.
Okay, David, enough jokes. We have listeners who really need jobs. let's give them real advice.
Okay, you are right. If you don't have experience, what can you do?
First, focus on your skills, not just your job history.
Skills. Things you can do, like English.
Yes, or computer skills, or soft skills.
Soft skills? Like being soft? Like a pillow?
No, soft skills mean personality skills, communication, teamwork, problem solving.
Ah, I am good at talking. That is a soft skill.
Yes, and also do internships or volunteer.
Volunteer. This means working for free?
Yes, but you get experience, and then you can get the job.
So work for free now to get money later?
Unfortunately, yes. That is how the system works.
Well, Olivia, I have good news, actually.
You found a job?
Yes, while we were talking, I got an email.
Really? Read it.
It says, "Congratulations, David. You are hired as senior manager."
Wow. Senior manager? That is amazing. What is the company?
It is called Galaxy Future Crypto Investments.
David, no.
And the salary is paid in moon coins.
David, it is a scam.
Scam? This means a trick, a fake thing.
Yes. Don't click the link.
But senior manager.
No. Listeners, please tell David. If it sounds too good to be true, it is probably fake.
Okay. I will delete the email. Back to the job hunt.
Good boy. Don't give up, David. The right job is waiting for you.
Hopefully. Thank you, everyone. Good luck with your job hunt.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Does anyone need a lemonade CEO? Call me.